I'm Jen from Fabulous Paper Emporium. I'm here today to go through a last bit of paper that we've got that will be available come next Saturday. September 25th is when our website goes live. So really excited about that. Hopefully you are too. I forgot to show this in the last video. I was trying to package everything in theme, so Christmas seemed to be like everything together, but of course, in all my excitement, I missed this one. So we will go through A Very Merry Christmas, which is totally retro. It just screams like childhood. If this doesn't, well, if this doesn't tell you my age or give you some indication of how old I am, then nothing will. But I'm going to flip over the cover sheet, and it's just super fun. This is brought to you by Carta Bella. So again, really nice textured paper, and just has such like a vintage retro feel to it. Retro would be better of a word than vintage. So we've got Santa, and just so typical, I guess, of what we saw growing up in like the 70s. And I love, love, love this paper. It even has kind of like that retro feel, like the ends are just a little bit yellowed, and whoever came up with this paper pack is genius, absolutely genius. Who did not have these types of ornaments on their Christmas tree? Like, you remember these ones where it kind of dives in a little bit, like it's concave, and you've got all this beautiful foil, just lovely. So here we have a dot. We have got some of the journaling cards, which again continue on that retro feel. Totally reminds me of the claymation Rudolph. Some lovely red paper with just those white stars, I guess. Maybe not snowflakes. And then we have some retro, just pictures, fun pictures that you can use for your projects with the white and blue background snowflakes. Okay, now here we go. This is what we unpacked every Christmas. We've got the tinsel that got all over the place. The packs of lights that were like that, in packs like that. The ornament hangers, the little hooks. This is, yeah. This is just so perfect. I can't even wipe the smile off my face. I'm so happy about this. We've got the trees with the green background. Some more Rudolphs with all the numbers counting down. Oh, that's beautiful. The green, just the tone-on-tone green with the berries just sets it off. And then we've got some more vintage-looking ornaments on a blue background this time with some lovely holly. Oh, and here's a perfect page. This would be ideal if you're making some kind of advent calendar, which again is now got my wheels turning, with a lovely candied stripe, red and white on the back of that. We've got Santa's list, which of course, beautiful layout could be made with this. That is something I'm going to have to keep in mind. But oh, the backside has those candies, mint candies, I guess they were. Peppermint candies? Yes, peppermint candies. Wasn't a fan as a kid, but I love them now as an adult. And then we've got our just little pictures of Santa and candy canes. Everything that reminds you of Christmas. On the back side, we've got snowflakes with the red background. Stunning. And then the blue snowflakes. Oh, sorry. Blue background, white snowflakes. Oh, and this is like a... straight to work. Trying to figure out who... Oh, this is 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. That's what that one is. That's what this is. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Beautiful. I had to figure out what exactly it was first before I said anything. But see, again, lovely, absolutely stunning card collection that just, I love this. I love vintage. I love a lot of things, but this one really just is so sentimental. I think is more than anything else. This card pack is just so sentimental because it just brings back memories, like really happy memories of Christmas gone by. So there we have it. This one is A Very Merry Christmas from Carta Bella. So again, stunning paper pack. Here is the stickers that go with that. I just can't say enough about this. I am so thrilled to have brought this in. This one is limited because it is on its way out. So sadly, just sad to say that, but if you want it, now's your chance to grab it. So I will set that off to the side, but bring in our next pack. This one is just going to be a 6x6 with the ephemera, and it is warm and cozy. And so for the warm and cozy, we have lovely patterns that are, again, sized appropriately for card making. Also good for the finer details if you're making a scrapbook. Could be for a mini album. And it's just beautiful, like, colors. So it's really those really warm earth tones. We've got the deep green, burgundy, brown, blue, just stunning. Here with the I guess maybe I should open it like this. Sorry, I've started ripping the pages out of the book already. And then we've got the lovely deer, fox, all kind of wildlife there. Some lovely sayings that could be used for your cards. Wreaths. I really gravitate to these ones. I just love the greenery, the contrast, because there's a nice creamy background. There. Cabins in the woods with the snow. And again, some wood grain, some cross cuts of the wood. Lovely plaid right there. Just beautiful. And again, with the 6x6, you will be getting 24 sheets of paper. So you do get 2 of each of the styles. And then as far as the ephemera goes, get this onto the work surface without getting anything stuck to the paper. Oh, this is not working out well for me today. Now, of course, for some reason, cardstock is super sharp. It cuts through bags like you have no idea. Okay, so we've got all of our lovely pieces that will go with it. Because again, there is no sticker sheet with the 6x6, but you do get this lovely ephemera pack if you would like to add that to the order. It is available. And so we've got some lovely like scenes that we saw in the paper pack. Then we've got some additional ones. That's beautiful with the mountain and kind of that, I don't know what style that is. Like an alpine style, if that's possible. Anyhow, we've got some lovely sayings here too as well. Of course, it is not Christmas, and if you don't have a pickup truck with something in the back. So there we have it for the winter / Christmas themed items. I will be back shortly with our last paper pack. One last thing to go through with you today, and it is our Happy Fall collection from Echo Park. So this fall collection has your typical oranges and deep burgundy red colors with the browns. But I love the fact that they have this pop of, I don't even know what color you would call it. Aqua, teal. I just love it because it really does set off all the other colors. It's beautiful. So let's dive in. So we've got our, I'm sorry, let me back up a little bit. This is our collection kit. So again, this kit will contain 12 by 12 double-sided sheets of cardstock, as well as an element sticker page. And we also have brought in the ephemera to go with it. So these are cardstock cutouts. We have 33 pieces in the ephemera pack. We'll go through the cardstock first, and then we'll dive into the ephemera. So here we go. We've got our lovely leaf pattern, so typical of fall, although we are experiencing not a heat wave, but certainly not fall weather yet. Bring on the fall weather. I'm so ready for fall. And then we've got a lovely red, deep red, almost burgundy with a dotted line. I don't know if you can see that. It's just beautiful. We've got our journaling cards for the fall season. 'Tis the season to be folly. Love that. With the welcome fall. I am ready to welcome fall. The beautiful plaid in the orange. Lovely with, I guess, another foliage. So very similar to this one, but this one we now have acorns and all kinds of other fun things on there with a beautiful, just a tone-on-tone pattern. I guess it looks like the veins of a leaf, I suppose, is what that's supposed to be. So it's beautiful. We've got some more of the journaling cards that can be multi-functional, multi-purposed, I guess, with another check in the back, on the back of that, with, again, the same color palette that we're using here with the golden yellows, the pumpkin-y colored orange, deep burgundy, deep green, with that little hint of the aqua teal kind of colorway. This one's stunning. The dark background, if this doesn't read as fall, I don't know what does. So just beautiful with that. And we have our lovely teal polka dot on the back side of that one. A lovely floral for the season with a tone on tone. This has got some leaf silhouettes. I would offer up an idea of what those leaves are, but I have no idea. So just beautiful. That's all you need to worry about. It is beautiful and it will work with everything else. Then we have some more of the cutouts that we can use with, again, another lovely foliage leafy pattern with the white background. The white background just makes the ones with the darker colors, it just stands out so much more. And then we have this beautiful patterned paper with all kinds of sayings for the season. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Agree with that wholeheartedly. And then we have the beautiful green plaid check on the back with some more of the, again, there we go. We have our pickup truck, this time with pumpkins because it's not yet Christmas. So got lovely paper there with some more very small foliage. So it's very reminiscent of one of the other papers we were looking at, this one. So it's just a different scale, obviously. Look at the two together. So nice that they offered up a little bit of a smaller scale for that one. With another plaid, just beautiful, bringing in all those colors. Wood grain, of course. We've got some trees, again, in those lovely fall colors with some interesting patterns, checks and things. Lovely gingham on the back of that one. I love this one with all the pumpkins, and it's on the same background as this one. So those two, really nice to use those in conjunction if you wanted to have this as, you know, an accent to the pumpkin. Oh, and a beautiful orange pattern. The words are not coming easily today, and I don't understand why. But anyways, kind of like a I was going to say a privacy fence. That's not exactly, you know, that's not inspiring really, but it's a lovely It's a lovely pattern, geometric patterns. Let's go with that. And then we have our wonderful sticker page to go with that as well. We've got bears, we've got wildlife, we have our pumpkins, lovely sayings. Again, stuff that we have seen, patterns and designs that we've seen throughout this collection. Same colorway, just beautiful to see. I'm going to flip this over because I'm just going to open the ephemera pack really quickly so that you can have a quick look at all the die cuts that will be included in the ephemera pack. And there again are 33 pieces in this ephemera pack. You've got these pieces which could easily, they're perforated so they could punch out. You can use that as a frame. You can use it as it is. Again, some sayings. We've got the trees that we had on a previous page. And just some lovely, sometimes what you see in the stickers, you'll also see in the ephemera pack. So very, very nice to see that so that you can use that in conjunction with all of the beautiful paper. Wonderful. And they've, again, like with this one, that was the pattern that we had seen just before. So everything is designed with a purpose, and that is to make beautiful things. And undoubtedly, this is going to make a stunning card or album, folio layout, whatever you want to make. This is certainly a stunning set kit to be thinking of if you were making something for Thanksgiving, which is coming up really soon, or even like after your fall activities are done. Easy to put this collection to use. So I'm really happy that you could join me for my very last video for today. And hopefully we will see you during the week over on our YouTube channel, where we will offer some more exciting projects to be done with some of this beautiful, fabulous paper. So I want to thank you again for visiting with me for a little bit, and I can't wait to see you the next time. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay well. Bye.